Hey guys, showing all of you Plum's newest skin loving makeup launch. These are the Matterrific bullet lipsticks. They have launched 10 gorgeous shades and here I shall be swatching and showing y'all 4 out of them. And if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to it by hitting the button. I love these Matterrific bullet lipsticks from Plum Goodness, and I love them because they are enriched with the goodness of 6 nourishing ingredients and they sit like second skin on your lips due to the lightweight formula. They have a rich color payoff and a soft touch matte finish in a single swipe. Ultimate kiss of goodness with Plum's Matterrific lipstick. Nourishing blend of care ingredients, they are highly pigmented, lightweight, moisturizing and non-drying, single swipe, dreamy glide. They are suitable for all Indian skin tones. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Do use the code MBL10 to get your 10% off on the purchase of these Matterrific lipsticks from Plum Goodness. Take care of yourself. I love all of you and bye bye.